How to enable or disable show visual feedback for taps on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on developer options. Now from here, we then scroll down. So scroll down to the input section and tap on show taps. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off show taps. Here, when you turn it on, then it will show visual feedback for taps. As you can see, when I tap on it, it shows the visual feedback for taps. And that's it. So finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.